Have you ever wondered how you could find dedicated loads on DAT load board in 2026? That's what we're going to be going over in this video. I'm also going to give you guys a personal background to me and how I actually got my first dedicated customer on DAT1 back in 2021. So you guys do not want to miss this video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, big thanks to DAT1 for sponsoring this video. Let's hop into it. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Entre Mike, with the Entre short for entrepreneur. And in today's video specifically, we're going to go over how you can obtain dedicated customers on DAT1. No matter if you're an existing business or a new authority, you can learn a lot from this video. Liking the video goes a long way. If you're on YouTube mobile, you can also swipe over to the right or left in the comment section, and it's a hype button. Just hype this video if you really like it. And that's enough yapping for now. There will also be a free 12-step trucker playbook in the comment section on entremike.com. This helps you basically set up your business from scratch. I'm talking about everything from your LLC to, filing for your US DOT number. I basically made a guide to help you go through that step by step. Then also you'll get 10% off of your first year using DAT1 through the specific link. So I just want to show you guys, if you guys go directly to dat.com, like this is what you're going to pay: 54, 119, 169, 239, 329, etc. Right? But if we go over to the link where you go back to the playbook, hit sign up for load board, you see that all of those prices that were on there are slashed by 10% for the first year. So make sure you guys use that unique URL. It's because I am a partner with DAT, so you're able to get this exclusive discount. So make sure you guys take advantage of it. And now, while we're on packages, I do want you guys to know, even if you have the base model, you do get the LaneMakers tool. Really, no matter what subscription you got, you should be able to access the LaneMaker tool. Now, this is usually preferable for people who are going to use just their mobile device, meaning your cell phone, to book loads. But if you're not going to just use your cell phone, I would highly recommend the Pro, just because you'll get 7-day lane rate averages. You'll get 3 searches instead of 1. And then you'll also get access to Tri-Haul. Now, we're going to do a completely different video on Tri-Haul in itself. I'm only showing this part of the video because people will get tripped up and say, hey, what package do I need? So I wanted to go over this super clearly before we dove straight into it. All right, guys, so we're on the dashboard. We're done yapping. We're going to hit tools down here. Once we hit tools, it's going to be a tool right here called LaneMakers. You want to hit LaneMakers. Now, when you get on LaneMakers for company type, you want to hit broker, because this is basically going to give us access to what lanes brokers are posting and which brokers are actually posting a lane. So let's say if I want to see, freight coming out of Atlanta, Georgia, going to, I don't know, let's put Charlotte, North Carolina for the destination. Load type, I would put both. You could put full or partial type. So a full load would be, of course, if you got like a 53-foot dry van, 48-foot dry van, it's a full truckload. Same for flatbed and reefer. Even the small guys, the LTL guys, like box trucks, Hotshots, cargo vans, technically you guys can get a partial volume load that counts as a full load and pays more of a dedicated rate that you would see that's closer to a dry van or flatbed. So you want to make sure you put both so you have access to all of the loads that they're posting regardless. And then for equipment type, now, if you are a van, flatbed, and reefer, it's pretty common sense, right? For my LTL guys, like box trucks, Hotshots. For Hotshot truckers, you want to pick FH for flatbed Hotshot. For box trucks, you want to pick straight box. So let's start off with van for the example. We want to see in a 30-day time frame who's been basically posting from Atlanta to North Carolina, and hit search. As you can see, as far as this lane, this steamboat transportation, they obviously have this lane available all the time. You see TQL, Total Quality Logistics. This is a broker who will actually work on you on the first day, as long as you got an active MC with active insurance. Slight plug, I am still a commercial truck and insurance agent, so you guys can get a quote with me and my team with that link in the description. If you guys are looking for a trucking insurance quote, I did just want to throw that out there. But as you guys can see, you can see how many loads they posted. You can also tell the posting type. So it'll show that they're posting it for just van. We'll also demonstrate the same thing for like a, straight box. Like what some of you guys will probably do. Let's say you want to keep this empty and you're don't want to put Conestoga. Let's put flatbed hotshot. Let's say you're a flatbed hotshot and you just want to know what loads are coming out of Atlanta, right? This can help you get an idea of what projects are going on near Atlanta and who has a ton of freight coming out of here. Of course, this fetch freight is probably somebody you want to reach out to if you're coming out of there. And what you need to understand is you are basically, you start your own authority. You're not just the CEO, right? You're the CMO, you're over marketing. You're also head of sales. So this is sales. This is cold calling sales. You got to basically cold call and introduce yourself as a carrier that's local in the area. You let them know what kind of equipment you got, how much equipment you got, and what you're willing to do. Now, while keeping this open can be a red flag for brokers, especially when you start posting your truck. This video isn't going over posted truck, but we will have a dedicated video for that. Maybe I'll tag it in at the end or put like a card up. You want to be able to show the lane that you go out of because they don't like anywhere carriers, right? If I have loads coming out of Atlanta, but they're going to California or Utah or Washington, somewhere on the West Coast where you're not really comfortable with getting freight, then you're kind of a tire kicker asking them where they get freight going to, right? You want to put a lane that you're actually comfortable with, that you run often. Let's say if it was for this flatbed, coming out of Atlanta, going into the direction of Chicago, you see 57 load posting. So you see that they post this lane almost as much as everybody else. It's a good chance that they have a good relationship with their customer in this region. Like I say, you just want to pay attention to the posting types. You see here, they post for flatbed. This means flatbed or step deck. So you just want to make sure you know what the equipment types are. And if you guys are curious how I got my first dedicated broker off of DAT1 load board, I'm not going to give out the broker information specifically for them, but I can link you guys to a video that was recorded with me and Jabril Hodges, son of Craig Hodges, the NBA player, back in 2021. I met him during COVID in 2020. Great guy. He was a great guy. Dispatched. Between box truck and hotshot, I dispatched full-time with my fiance. And we used to dispatch about 8 to 10 carriers. And it was really easy for brokers to work with us because we always had trucks. But nevertheless, we had a lane out of Elkhart, Indiana that only ran 160 loaded miles and it paid $850, right? And they would do this. It was dry ice out of Elkhart, Indiana. And we would run these to local medical facilities 4 times a week, Monday through Thursday. Paid a rate of $850 a day, like I said. And that's what they paid Jabril as the carrier. Of course, me as the dispatcher, I made 10% on that. Once I kind of locked in that relationship, we ran that lane for 2 months, no hiccups, no problems. And Jabril ended up getting really close as the carrier to the shipping warehouse's manager. And this relationship basically led them close enough to where he got into the guy's ear and said, hey, what are you paying the broker to do this? I can do it for a little cheaper, if it makes sense. And guys, they ended up paying the brokers $1,200 a day for that lane. So the broker was profiting $350 off of that load that was basically just automated because Jabril was just doing that lane every single day. He was doing most of the work. He built the rapport with the customer, and they had only posted this load on the load board multiple times because they had lost a driver. So they didn't want to pay to replace a driver. They got to put them on payroll, pay insurance. It was much easier to just subcontract out the risk. You don't have to pay for insurance for the truck. Just let the carrier do the work. So he came in, he sold himself. Long story short, he ended up taking that lane for $1,100. Right. So now me as a dispatcher, I didn't get paid anymore after he, snagged that relationship. But I was super happy for him because, you know what I mean? Like, everybody's not supposed to stay with the dispatcher for the longevity of the business. If you're a one truck owner operator, you usually want to make sure you can leverage your relationship with brokers and with shippers so that you don't have to depend on a dispatcher forever. Right. But that's just some insights into how I got my first dedicated broker. And it wasn't even with my truck. Right. Once I got into Hotshot, I ended up finding some dedicated shippers, dedicated brokers, but we'll leave those stories for another day. I just wanted to give you guys a unique way that I was able to get my first dedicated broker back in 2021, dispatching loads for a box truck. So I'm telling you, you don't even need equipment, right? If you're a dispatcher watching this, you just need to build rapport with the customer, make sure the carrier is showing up on time, doing good work. And, he stuck his way in there and got that customer. So I hope you guys got some value from this. We're going to be doing deep dives on every single tool on the load board. So if you guys like content like this, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. This is basically an outro to the video. If you guys are looking for a way to get paid on your loads, if you want to get paid same day or next day, I'm now partnered with DAT's factoring company, OutGo. They literally show you which loads are factorable on the load board. So it's half the hassle of having to work with a third party factoring company. They offer amazing rates. They're trying to basically gun everybody out in the industry. So if you guys want access to that link in my exclusive agent, that link will also be in a link tree below the load board discount. See you guys later. Peace.